welcome to IMEE'S Kitchen. For today's episode, I'm going to share you one of my best-seller cakes. This cake is made of sponge with Ube Halaya filling and delicious cream cheese frosting that I'm sure you will love, and that is Ube Cake. So let's start. To make Ube Cake, first, combine and whisk the cake flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine the dry ingredients and set aside. Using a stand mixer fitted with whisk attachment, beat the butter and sugar together on high speed until smooth and creamy for about 3 minutes. As needed, scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl with rubber spatula. Beat in 3 eggs, 2 egg whites, vanilla, and ube extract on high speed until combined for about 2 minutes. Set the mixer on low speed and add the dry ingredients just until combined. With the mixture still running on low, pour in whole milk and mix until just combined. You may need to whisk it all by hand to make sure there are no lumps at the bottom of the bowl. Add purple food color 1 drop at a time until desired tint is achieved. Line bottom of 3 9-inch pans with parchment paper. Parchment paper helps the cakes seamlessly release from the pans. Pour batter evenly into cake pans. And bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. To test if the cakes are baked through, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, means it's done. Allow cakes to cool completely in the pans set on a wire rack. The cake must be completely cool before assembling and frosting. In a large bowl using handheld mixer or stand mixer with a whisk, beat the butter, cream cheese on medium speed until creamy for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next is add confectioners or powdered sugar, followed by vanilla, 1 teaspoon ube extract, and salt. Add food color 1 drop at a time until desired tint is achieved. Then increase to high speed and beat for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer 1 cup of frosting into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip and refrigerate. You'll use this to decorate the top of the cake later. To assemble and decorate the cake, Run a knife around the edges to loosen the cake from pans. Using a leveler or a large serrated knife, slice off cake tops to keep the height uniform and to level off surface. Crumble the tops and set aside. We are going to use these crumbs to cover the sides and the top of the cake later. Place one cake layer on cake stand, serving plate, or turnable. Then evenly cover the top with Ube Halaya filling. For Ube Halaya filling, you can use store-bought, your own recipe, or my recipe. You can find a link of my recipe on the description below. Then spread half cup of cream cheese frosting. Top with the second cake layer and cover the top with Ube Halaya filling and cream cheese frosting. Then place the third cake layer. Then spread the remaining frosting all over the top and sides. Press crumbled ube cake on the sides and letting it cling on the cream. To decorate the top, pipe out 12 big rosettes around the cake's edges and top with ube crumbs. Refrigerate cake for at least 1 hour before slicing. This helps the cake hold its shape when cutting. There you have it, IMEE'S Kitchen Ube Cake. If you guys want more of my delicious recipes, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the cake I made today, please like and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and see you again next time. Bye!